Hey everyone, Karma Guy here. Check out this incredible truck, now reduced by over $15,000 due to a branded Georgia rebuilt title. Rest assured, all repairs have been made, and it has successfully passed the Georgia State Safety Inspection, receiving a clean bill of health. We've repaired a dent in the roof and left front fender, plus added a stylish lariat grille for that upgraded look. And with a service bed installed, an impressive $10,000 upgrade, this truck is ready for any job. With only 23,000 miles, it's been road tested for over 100 miles and is ready to hit the worksite. This truck is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by our Quality Plus warranty, 3 months or 3,000 miles. Plus, ask about our 5-year maintenance plan available at a discounted price at the time of sale. And don't forget to inquire about our lifetime warranty upgrade option when you buy. As always, we encourage pre-purchase inspections. Come down today and see why this truck is the perfect fit for you.